Hello, and welcome back to English with Wolfizzle, the only place on the internet where we throw the dusty old textbooks out the window and learn to speak real, natural, beautiful English. I am your host, Professor Wolfizzle. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about a very human topic, your feelings. Maya, it is great to have you here. Tell me, how are you today?
Hi, Professor. Hello, Wolfpack. To be honest, I am a little bit nervous because it is my first time here. But I am also very happy.
Don't be nervous, Maya. You are doing great. Happy and nervous are perfect words to start with. Wolfpack, today I want to show you that there is more than just saying, "I'm fine."
That is true, Professor. In school, we only learn I am fine. But life is more than fine, right?
Exactly. Let's start with the basics. Maya, repeat these simple feelings after me. And Wolfpack, you repeat them too. Happy.
Happy.
Sad.
Sad.
Tired.
Tired.
Angry.
Angry.
Very good. Now, Maya, let's make it a bit more interesting. Sometimes we are very, very tired. Do you know the word for that?
Is it very tired?
You can say that, but a better word is exhausted. It means your energy is at 0%. Let's practice. Exhausted.
Exhausted. Oh, I feel exhausted after a long day at work.
Perfect. And what about when you are waiting for a big event, like a vacation or a party? You are not just happy, you are excited.
Excited! Yes, I am excited for the weekend.
Now, let's look at the grammar, Maya. It is very simple for our beginners. You can say, I am, or I feel. I am hungry. I feel hungry.
Is there a difference, Professor?
Not really. They are almost the same. But we can use modifiers to show the strength. Maya, repeat after me. A little bit and very.
A little bit and very.
Right. You can be a little bit hungry. You want a snack. Or very hungry. You want a big steak.
I am very hungry right now, Professor.
Let's talk about some negative feelings, because life isn't always sunshine. Maya, how do you feel when you have a lot of problems and no time?
I feel stressed.
Exactly. Stressed. And if you think something bad might happen, you feel worried.
Worried? Like when I lose my keys?
Yes, you feel worried because you can't open your door. And if you have nothing to do and the day is very slow, you feel bored.
Bored. I feel bored when I wait for the bus for a long time.
Okay, Maya, let's see if you and the Wolfpack learned these words. It is time for our feelings quiz. I will describe a situation, and you guess the feeling. Number 1. You see a big, scary ghost in a movie. How do you feel?
I feel scared.
Correct. Number 2. You just finished a 10-kilometer run.
I am exhausted.
Number 3. You are at a beautiful beach with a cold drink.
I feel relaxed.
Number 4. You got an A on your English test.
I am proud and happy.
Number 5. You want to drink a lot of water.
I am thirsty.
Excellent job, Maya. You are a great student. And Wolfpack, I hope you guessed the words too. Remember, feelings are part of daily life. Don't be afraid to use these words. Thank you, Professor. I feel much more confident now. Confident. Another great word. It means you believe in yourself. And now it's time for your Wolfpack homework. Go to the comments and tell us, how do you feel today? Use my structure. I am or I feel. For example, I feel very happy because I learned new words. I am going to read every single comment. Stay curious, stay confident, and keep talking. This is Professor Wolfizzle and Maya signing off.
Bye-bye, Wolfpack. See you soon.